Hey guys, what's going on? So, want to see one of the most awesome paper airplanes in the world? Check this out. This is called the MD-20 glider, and here's how it flies. Ooh. Ooh, it flies good too. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use an ordinary sheet of printer paper, and this is 8.5 by 11 inches. So, let's begin by folding in half. Oh, and by the way, this is a model that I learned from this paper airplane book right here. Awesome paper airplanes. Yep, and I'm decided to teach it on my channel. Yeah. Okay, so fold in half like this. And unfold. And now let's do the paper airplane fold. We'll fold this edge and this edge to the center. Yeah, I'm gonna teach a lot of these paper airplanes on my channel, so stay tuned. And I've really been excited to teach this one because it flies awesome. Okay, and now take this point and fold it to this point. And unfold and repeat on this side. So fold this point to this point. Okay, and now turn over, and now we're going to make a fold in between these 2 points, so it runs through this middle point. So fold it up like this, and make sure that this point aligns with the middle crease. Okay, now unfold and turn back over. So here's the side with the flaps. And now poke this middle point in. And we're going to make a water bomb base like thing. So bring these down and squash here. Like that. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to the middle crease. And repeat on this side. Fold this edge to here. Okay, and now unfold and rotate like this and fold this point up right in between these 2 points. So where these 2 creases hit the edges. And make sure that this point aligns with the middle. That sharp, and now keep it folded and rotate like this, and let's open up this pocket right here, and we're gonna tuck this point inside of that pocket. So we're folding this on the existing crease but tucking it inside, so you kind of need to curl it a little bit and stick it in just like that. I'm gonna say this is probably the hardest step of the model. And repeat on this side. So open the pocket up and kind of curl this a little bit so it makes it easier to tuck it in and stick it in the pocket. Like so. Okay, so here's the nose of the paper airplane. And now turn over. And now we're going to fold this up in between these 2 points. Okay, and repeat on this side. Alright, and now we're going to take this edge and fold it to this edge. Crease sharply. And repeat on the side. Fold this edge to this edge. Okay. And now let's just kind of adjust the wings a little bit. So just kind of make it about like that. Shape it to taste. Well, just adjust it to taste. And once it did that, here is our glider finished. The MD-20 glider. And just to make it fly a little bit better, I'm gonna just kind of fold it. I'm gonna slightly fold it in half a little bit like this. Just a slight. So about like that. Alright. And then the way to fly it is, the way to hold it when you fly it is you have to hold it by these two edges right here. So hold it like this. So by this thick triangle. And then throw it like a paper airplane. And alright, see how it flies. Alright, here goes. So you just hold it by this triangle and you throw it like a paper airplane. Ooh. Whoa. Ooh. So there you have it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding that and hope you enjoy flying it. And make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.